Hi guys, this is Mike and Aga and we're back with another video.
So we got this set from the 50s from Lou. We purchased this one and the cabinet from the previous video at the same time, and we paid $70 for everything. So we're basically allocating $50 for this one. If you've been watching our videos, you know we absolutely love mid-century stuff, so we're kind of excited about this one. Unfortunately, it doesn't come without damages. So the first damage that we have is this drawer. The dovetails actually completely broke off on the top, so we will glue it back together. There's a missing pull, but we do have it. It just fell off. It's probably somewhere behind this this drawer. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's already been painted over. And the biggest damage, unfortunately, is again on the top. The plywood or veneer, I should say, has split. There was probably some water damage, so we are going to have to scoop some stuff out and fill it up. I'm guessing we're gonna have to use Bondo this time to make sure it's level. Glue alone will probably seep through the particles and the end result wouldn't be so good. So we're definitely not going to be able to stain the top. Now if you look at the top, it's bowing ever so slightly, but all the drawers work good, so that shouldn't be a massive issue. And other than that, yeah, a couple dings and scratches, the usual stuff. Now the matching nightstand is much better. There's not many damages that we could see, other than just a few small dings. Back on both of them is excellent, so no issues here. So yeah, at the moment it's pretty boring, so hopefully we can bring some new life into it. Aga already cleaned everything outside, so we are going straight to wood filler, fixing the top, fixing the drawer and sanding. Alright, let's go. So I did some testing. This one is not as loose as I thought, so I'm gonna try and use wood glue instead of Bondo. It's gonna be hard to get rid of the bowing completely. I'm definitely going to have to wait for this clamp to get it as straight as possible. So in the meantime, Aga is going to fill up all the holes. So we got the clamps down. Unfortunately, the clamps are just a tiny bit too short. I would much rather have like a bigger, like 2x4 on top to make sure the force is spread evenly. At the moment it's slightly wavy. Not much I can do about it. Hopefully it's gonna be better than it was before. While this one dries, we're going to remove the base from the nightstand, see if it even comes off and if we can stain it. Oh. The rail on the nightstand is completely gone, so I'll have to make a new one. Okay, I guess it's close enough. It should work.
Look what we found in the drawer. Tickets for $3.50. Sanding is finished finally. It did take a while, but I'm ready to stain. And here again we'll be using Special Walnut wood stain. I'll be applying 2 coats. I've got my t-shirt with wood stains on it. And yeah, let's go. Two coats are on. I really like how it's looking. All I have left is cleaning and masking those up. Whee!
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video.
If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.
We got this set from Lou together with the MCM cabinet that we actually posted as our last video, and we paid $70 for everything, so we allocated $50 to this set.
It took us around 6 hours to finish the project. We'll be posting it on Facebook Marketplace for between 600 and 700. It might be too high, but we don't know. If it's too high, we'll just lower the price. You never know, maybe we'll get lucky.
Our prices are always negotiable, so we never had an issue with that.
Yeah. And we are pretty happy with how it looks, so
I think it looks great.
yeah, the only thing we didn't manage to get the corner as like flatter.
It's definitely better than it was. Comment down below if you like how it turned out, and we're going to see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!